Hey everyone, Linus here. Today we're diving into the world of Haproxy, a powerful tool that can supercharge your web applications. In simple terms, Haproxy is like a traffic cop for your servers. It sits in front of them, directing incoming requests and making sure everything runs smoothly. Imagine a busy website with tons of users. Without Haproxy, a single server might get overwhelmed, leading to slow loading times or even crashes. That's where Haproxy comes in. It distributes the traffic evenly across multiple servers, ensuring optimal performance and preventing any single point of failure. But Haproxy is more than just a load balancer. It also acts as a security guard, protecting your servers from attacks and ensuring only legitimate traffic gets through. Whether you're a seasoned sysadmin or just starting out, understanding Haproxy can make a huge difference in the reliability and performance of your web applications. So, let's get started. Haproxy comes packed with features, but let's focus on the big ones that make it so awesome. First up, load balancing. This is Haproxy's bread and butter. It lets you distribute incoming traffic across multiple servers, preventing overload and ensuring your website stays up even during traffic spikes. Think of it like having multiple checkout lines at a store. It keeps things moving faster. Next, we have SSL TLS offloading. This is huge for security. Haproxy can handle the encryption and decryption of your website traffic, freeing up your servers to focus on what they do best, serving content. It's like having a dedicated bouncer checking IDs at the door. Another key feature is health checking. Haproxy constantly monitors the health of your servers, automatically rerouting traffic away from any that are down. This ensures high availability and prevents users from experiencing downtime. And let's not forget access control. Haproxy lets you define rules to control who can access your website and what they can do. Think of it like setting up VIP areas and guest lists for your web applications. Now, let's talk about how Haproxy is used in the real world. You'll find it powering some of the biggest websites and platforms out there. For instance, imagine a popular online gaming platform with millions of concurrent users. Haproxy can distribute the massive incoming traffic across multiple game servers, ensuring a smooth and lag-free gaming experience for everyone. Or consider a large e-commerce website during a flash sale. Haproxy can handle the sudden surge in traffic, preventing the website from crashing and ensuring customers can complete their purchases without a hitch. Haproxy is also used by cloud providers to distribute traffic across their vast server infrastructures, by financial institutions to secure online transactions, and by media streaming services to deliver high-quality video content to millions of viewers simultaneously. The possibilities are endless. Section 4. Installing and configuring Haproxy. Don't worry, installing and configuring Haproxy is easier than you might think. It's available for various operating systems, and you can usually install it with a single command using your package manager. Once installed, you'll need to configure Haproxy by editing its configuration file. This file defines how Haproxy should handle traffic, including things like load balancing algorithms, backend server addresses, and health check settings. While the configuration file might seem intimidating at first, it's actually quite straightforward. Haproxy uses a simple and intuitive syntax, and there are tons of examples and tutorials available online to help you get started. And once you've got Haproxy up and running, you can easily monitor its performance and health using its built-in logging and monitoring tools. Section 5. Best practices for using Haproxy. Now that you're familiar with Haproxy, let's go over some best practices to ensure you're getting the most out of it. First and foremost, always keep your Haproxy version up to date. New releases often include performance improvements, bug fixes, and security patches. Next, make sure to monitor your Haproxy instance regularly. Keep an eye on key metrics like traffic throughput, server response times, and error rates. This will help you identify any potential issues before they become major problems. It's also crucial to implement proper security measures. Secure your Haproxy configuration files, use strong passwords, and consider enabling features like access control lists and SSL TLS encryption to protect your servers from unauthorized access and attacks. And finally, don't be afraid to experiment. Haproxy is incredibly versatile and customizable. Try out different load balancing algorithms, explore advanced features like content caching and request routing, and see what works best for your specific needs. Hey everyone, Linus here. Today we're diving into the world
Section
of
6.
Haproxy.
Conclusion,
a powerful
benefits of
tool
using
that can
Haproxy.
supercharge your web
So there you have it, a
applications.
beginner's
In
crash
simple
course on
terms,
Haproxy.
Haproxy
We've
is
covered
like
what
a
it is,
traffic cop
its
for
key
your
features,
servers.
real-world
It
use
sits in front
cases,
of them,
installation and
directing
configuration,
incoming requests
and best
making sure
practices.
everything runs
By
smoothly.
using
Imagine a
Haproxy,
busy
you can
website
significantly
with tons of
enhance the
users.
performance,
Without
reliability,
Haproxy,
and
a single
security of
server
your
might
web
get
applications.
overwhelmed, leading to
It's a
slow
powerful
loading
tool that
times
can
or
handle even the
crashes.
most demanding
That's where
workloads,
Haproxy comes
ensuring
in.
your
It
websites
distributes
and
the
services
traffic
stay
evenly
online and
across
responsive no
multiple
matter
servers,
what. Whether you're
ensuring
running a
optimal
small
performance
blog or a
and
large-scale
preventing any
enterprise
single point of
application,
failure. But
Haproxy can
Haproxy
make
is
a
more
world
than
of
just a
difference.
load balancer.
So go ahead,
It also
give it
acts
a
as
try and see
security
the
guard,
power of
protecting
Haproxy
your
for
servers
yourself.
from attacks and